If you followed me for a while, you know I love to share my favorite things for cookie decorating that make my life easier and make my cookies look better. It's no secret that I love using a projector to make perfect cookies, and now I've got my hands on the new Arkon mount Cookie Decorator Edition. This is great because not only can you use your projector with it, you can also use your phone or your camera, and it works so well. This stand is super sturdy. It's got such a good heavy base, so you can mount your projector, your phone without worrying it's going to tip over, and you can adjust it so many different ways. It's so easy to use, whether you want to use it in front of you, to the side of you, however you'd like. You can put your phone on there so you can make all the reels you want. You can also have your phone there and move your cookies around. We all know how hard it is to take so many photos of our cookies, get that perfect shot for our social media. So you can have your phone up there and snap so many shots while you're moving your cookies around, not having to worry about grabbing your phone each time. The arms are so easy to adjust, and there's so many options and heights that you can make, so it can be just perfect the way you need it to be. Sometimes our stands are a little bit too short and the image is not big enough for the cookie, so this is great. It's nice and tall and it gives you a lot of room to work with. I love that not only you can have your projector, but you can have your phone in front of you as well, so you can adjust the images as needed right in front of you while you're decorating. My projector is my best tool that I have, and this just goes right along with it because it just makes it so much easier to use it and to set it up, take my pictures and video when I need to. It's also sturdy enough to hold my big camera, and so it's so great because it's not going to go anywhere and I don't have to worry about it crushing my cookies or tipping over. And the best part is I have a 20% off code for you, Little Cookie Co. Make sure you check out all the details below in the video description. We'll also have the link and the code for you. Are you ready to step up your game in cookie decorating? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.